Sani da ga ni da ni ni da, da ni da ga ma ga sa. Sani da ga ni da ni ni da, da ni da ga ma ma. Sa ga ma da da, ma da ni da ni da ni da ni da pa ma da ma ga ga re ga ma ga pa ma ga re. देखा नहीं खूबसूरत कोई जिस्म जैसे अजंता की मूरत कोई जिस्म जैसे निगाहों पे जादू कोई जिस्म नगमा कोई जिस्म खुशबू कोई जिस्म जैसे मचलती हुई रागनी जिस्म जैसे महकती हुई चांदनी जिस्म जैसे
What's up, Mother Nature? Long time. How are you doing?
I'm not well. This global warming has given me fever, you see. I'm having frequent asthma attacks as well.
Okay, Mother Nature. What can we do to save you?
Look what the human nature is doing to this world. You can start it by picking litter and saving water.
Really? What else can we do?
I wanted to go and show the world my beauty. I feel I'm losing my worth. I want to know what the world thinks about me and if they can do anything to change. And you can start by planting more trees. Don't do that. Save our forests.
Okay, Mother Nature.
And stop using harmful chemical sprays.
Okay, Mother Nature.
Why do you look so worried, Mother Nature?
Because of global warming, so many of my plants and animal species are going extinct. You're my planeteers. Go find what the world thinks about me and bring a change. We'll do it!
According to me, nature is N-A-T-U-R-E. Bus.
Nature is beauty, nature is love, nature is the feeling you get of comfort. And according to me, that's all.
I look at the nature, it reminds me of my mother love. What do you think of nature?
Kiski nature?
Nature is everything around you, like this wind and sunrise and birds, rabbits.
Nature is like when, you need a dump or something. Oh, that's what nature for me.
Nature is life's breath. It's what makes your life wonderful, and whatever is wonderful is nature.
Nature is all the environment. What you see, what you feel.
Nature is beauty. Like beauty around the world, beautiful women. That's nature.
This is nature.
Well, when I see butterflies like in a park or somewhere, something very pretty.
My closest experience with nature was when I did snorkeling in Red Sea in Saudi Arabia.
My closest experience with nature was when I went to a safari in South Africa. There's a whole world out there in which we exist, which we don't even know about, and I think and everything is so balanced in that world that that's really the beauty of it. How perfect it is.
Closest experience was when I went to Malaysia, and on my way I happened to see rainforests and wildlife and their underwater sea life.
सुबह सुबह उठ के वो फ्रेश एयर में जाके वॉक करें या कुछ करें, वो आपके अंदर के सिस्टम, आप भी नेचर का एक पार्ट है.
I am natural.
तो नेचर जब नेचर से मिलता है तो इंसान का दिन बहुत अच्छा गुजरता है.
Me?
Feel energy.
What I feel like I'm close to religion.
That I felt that nature is more than just being something environmental or something that needs to be protected.
What wanted to appraise the creation of Allah.
I was thinking what shoes to wear, like pink or white.
It's everything around you.
First thing that would come to my mind is love or something, or joy.
नेचर से इंसान का रिलेशनशिप बहुत डीप है.
It makes you feel humble because it makes your life, there's something bigger in the world that created it, and you just have to live in harmony with whatever has been created. You just feel so tiny, and I feel tiny for once. Something is bigger than me.
When I saw it, I was like, wow.
It's beauty, it's love, it's everything.
I was thinking of Megan Fox.
Mainly religion was coming to my mind.
Completely incredible. And I was like at peace. So I was like at peace.
For 2.5 million years, the Earth's climate has fluctuated, cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast, about 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe it's human activity that's driving the temperatures up, a process known as global warming. Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plants, and eventually cars have burned fossil fuels such as oil and coal, releasing huge amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases trap heat near the Earth through a naturally occurring process called the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect begins with the sun and the energy it radiates to the Earth. The Earth and the atmosphere absorb some of this energy, while the rest is radiated back into space. Naturally occurring gases in the atmosphere trap some of this energy and reflect it back, warming the Earth. Scientists now believe that the greenhouse effect is being intensified by the extra greenhouse gases that humans have released. Evidence for global warming includes a recent string of very warm years. Scientists report that 1998 was the warmest year in measured history, with 2005 coming in second. Meanwhile, readings taken from ice cores show that the greenhouse gases carbon dioxide and methane have hit their highest levels in the past 420,000 years. Arctic sea ice is also shrinking. According to NASA studies, the extent of Arctic sea ice has declined about 10% in the last 30 years. As long as industrialized nations consume energy and developing countries increase their fossil fuel consumption, the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere will continue to rise. Researchers predict that temperatures will increase about 2 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the end of the century. What's less certain is what rising temperatures mean for the planet. Some climate models predict subtle changes. Others forecast rising sea levels which could flood coastal areas around the world. Weather patterns could change, making hurricanes more frequent. Severe droughts could become more common in warm areas, and species unable to adapt to the changing conditions would face extinction.